Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. The Allied Bank app is updated, you have your account PIN, debit card details, and the recipient mobile number ready. Open the app and authenticate using biometric or PIN. This speeds up the flow and reduces errors. Once logged in, navigate directly to the payments or mobile top-up section. Don't wander through menus. Make sure your network is stable. Poor connectivity causes timeouts. These first actions set you up to complete a smooth load balance transaction. You now select Mobile Top-Up, pick the correct operator, and type the recipient number carefully. One wrong digit sends funds elsewhere. Choose an amount or a specific bundle, then review any listed fee and the total debited. This explains why amounts differ from face value. Next, pick your source account or linked debit card, then authorize with OTP or biometric. Once you tap Confirm, wait for the success screen. Do not double tap. You'll get an on-screen receipt and SMS confirmation. You finish by saving the confirmation and immediately checking transaction history to ensure status is successful. If the top-up remains pending beyond 10 minutes, don't retry blindly. Contact Allied Bank support via an app chat or helpline to avoid duplicate charges. If the payment failed but your account was debited, request an instant reversal and provide the transaction ID. Finally, make sure your app and OS are updated. Many issues stem from outdated software. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.